Hi friends, and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's nice of you to join us today. Now friends, let's get started by singing our good morning song.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too.
And a very good morning to all our lovely friends that are watching. Hi friends! Now, do we know the day of the week today? It's Friday. Today is Friday, all day long, all day long. And the month of March. Now, let's sing our 7-day song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wonderful, wonderful friends. Now, let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yes, we did it. We said our months of the year. Now, let's find out about the weather for today. Let's go sing our weather song.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today?
Now, we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, where Auntie is right now, it's a sunny day, a bright and sunny day. Now, what's our color of the day for today? It's yellow. Yes, yellow is our color of the day today. Now, what's our shape of the day for today? Our shape of the day today is a heart. Yes, a heart. And that's our shape of the day. Now friends, let's count to our number of the day. Our number of the day for today is the number 4. Let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, friends. We counted to our number of the day. Now, let's all find out about the letter of the day for today. Take a look at the letter of the day. Our letter for today is the letter R. Some words that start with R are rat, run, and roll. R. Yes, that's a wonderful letter. And those are some really cool words, right? Now, friends, I'm so excited because we are going to be talking about our lesson for today. Friends, so today we're going to make a bunny sandwich. What you would need is, of course, some bread, about 2 slices. You can use a tomato or whatever fruit you have, and some sauce. Alright, friends, so today we're going to make a bunny sandwich. What you would need is, of course, some bread, about 2 slices. You can use a tomato or whatever fruit you have, and some sauce. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is cut a circle for the face of our bunny. You can use a cookie cutter like I'm using, or you can use just a glass. Alright, and save the ends because we're going to use that to make our bunny ears. Alright, so now you can open your 2 pieces and you can just put a piece of sausage in the inside and close it up. There we go. So that's the bunny's face. Now we're going to try and use the ends to make his ears. Alright, so we have one of the bunny's ears. Alright, so let's clean up a little bit. And we have the bunny's face and we have the bunny's ears. Alright, and now I'm going to use the tip of my tomato. Alright, so you can place the tomato on the bunny's nose. And I'm going to use my sausage after I've cut it in half to make the inner part of my bunny ears. Right, so once we have that, I'm going to place it on the ears. Use another piece of the sausage to make the little bunny's mouth. So I hope you enjoy making our bunny sandwich for today. Don't forget to subscribe.